Hello, Wim Dijkgraaf here again with a quick introduction in the vision behind the Rhodium 24 platform. What Rhodium under the cover actually is a recognition engine that recognizes features from 3D models as well as 2D CAD drawings or models. Then we have a whole workflow engine with Excel-based estimation logic. The workflow engine is an inter-enterprise workflow engine, so the workflow can be orchestrated over many factories, over the whole supply chain, and functions or estimations based on, for example, Excel sheets can be made through the whole supply chain. We have dashboards and measuring software with a whole big data platform. And this is this suite of components represent machine learning. So what we are capable of doing is through IoT technology, we communicate with the factory floor, obtaining actual production data and let Rhodium learn from that data, such that estimations that are currently working based on formulas can be based on neural networks trained to learn about the real production cycles. So that's what the whole Rhodium platform under the hood is. It's based on a couple of trends and technology enablers that we are currently seeing worldwide, from 2D to 3D, from parts to assemblies, from geometry to model-driven design. It has full support to integrate with all kind of platforms. So it's not meant to become a marketplace at all. Metal Heaven will be there for the factories, but with the connectivity to connect to B2B marketplaces. It has full support for supply chain integration. It's based on subscriptions. It runs in the cloud. It heavily applies Internet of Things technology to communicate with on-premise machines and systems. We have under the hood various types of machine learning and artificial intelligence running, and this is something that we are investigating in right now. I can't tell you a lot about it. It's an interesting topic. We use this ISA 95 stack as a point of reference. So you see ERP at the top and machinery, etc. at the bottom. How to position Rhodium. Rhodium is a cloud-based platform. It integrates with the Smart Connected Suppliers network. It has out-of-the-box a customer self-service portal. You can run Rhodium agents that are connected with the Rhodium cloud in order to communicate with the on-premises systems and equipment. We have various ERP modules to out-of-the-box talk or integrate with the most common ERP systems, as well as CAM modules, such that Rhodium can control or coordinate the processing of files through the various CAM systems within the factory. This is how the supply chain integration based on Smart Connected Supplier network is positioned. And what you see there is that their approach is much more focused on document interchange, kind of an EDI way of working, while Rhodium takes this a step further. So it can, of course, communicate with SCSN, but we have a full inter-enterprise workflow engine such that we can do coordination of document interchange through the whole supply chain, which is considerably more advanced than currently what the SCSN platform has to offer. So here the positioning of the agent. You can run many agents in your factory. You can run many agents in multiple factories, all coordinated by the Rhodium platform, which you see here. So this can be a factory, this a factory, this a factory, all being coordinated by the Rhodium workflow, as well as the virtual factories that are set up within the Rhodium platform. So that's it from a high-level perspective, helicopter view. Any questions, you can always reach out to me, and I'm happy to explain whatever you want to know about the platform. Thanks for the interest again, and hope to speak to you next time. Bye-bye.